Today's topic is Exponents and Radicals, Chapter 3, Standard 8. We have already discussed the chapters squares and square roots, cubes and cube roots. Suppose we write cube root of x. You are already familiar with this form. This form is known as the radical form. Here 3 is known as index and x is called the radicand. This form can be written as x to the power 1 by 3. This index comes here and it is written as, if it is 3 here, then it is written as 1 by 3. This form is known as exponential form, where x is the base and 1 by 3 is known as the exponent or the power. Look at some examples. Root 20. Here 2 is hidden, index is 2. Therefore, we can write root 20 as 20 to the power 1 by 2. Similarly, cube root of 20 can be written as 20 to the power 1 by 3. Also, if it is cube root of 20 to the power 5, then this can be written as 20 to the power 5 and 3 can be written as 1 by 3, or we can finally write 20 to the power 5 by 3. Now, we will discuss some laws of exponents. First law is a to the power m multiplied a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. This law is applicable when bases are same. And when bases are same and there is multiplication sign between them, we simply add the exponents. Therefore, a to the power m multiply a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Example is 2 to the power 5 multiplied to the power 7 is equal to, write 2 1 times, 5 plus 7, and 5 plus 7 is 12. So the answer is to the power 12. Second law is a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Here also both have same base a, but power may be different. Example is 2 to the power 5 or 2 to the power 7 is equal to 2 to the power 5 minus 7 is equal to 2 to the power minus 2. Now always remember, power may be equal or different, the rule never changes. Next is a to the power m whole to the power n. Then this is equal to a to the power m multiply n. For example, 2 to the power 5 whole to the power 7 is equal to 2 to the power 5 multiply 7, 5 multiply 7, and 5 7 are 35. Fourth law, 1 by a to the power m is equal to a to the power minus m. This means when we take the reciprocal, the sign of power changes. Example is 1 by 2 to the power 5 is equal to 2 to the power minus 5. Similarly, 1 by 7 to the power minus 3 is equal to 7 to the power 3. Why? Because 1 by 7 to the power minus 3 is equal to 7 to the power minus of minus 3 is equal to 7 to the power minus minus plus 3. Next rule, a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. For example, 2 to the power minus 5 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power 5. Same thing we can say that when we take the reciprocal, the sign of exponent changes. Last rule is a to the power 0 is equal to 1. When we write any number raised to the power 0, then its value becomes 1. For example, 23 to the power 0 is 1. 596 to the power 0 is equal to 1. But in this case, the a should be a non-negative integer. It is essential condition for this rule to be applicable. That's all for today. Thank you.